just wanted to say that I was saying to my wife the other day and thinking to myself first that my biggest sadness in life comes from when I'm like just when we're fighting or not getting on or arguing, or there's some sort of sense of conflict, like disconnection. But my greatest happiness comes when we're getting on really good and we're connected and we're like communicating well, we're listening and talking well, we're not getting triggered over the top, nothing like that. We're containing ourselves, we're holding space for each other, we're being careful and methodical and intentional, and we're able to keep the peace and the love and the happiness in our hearts for each other, and then our family with kids are all connected and happy together. So it's for this reason that I'm very passionate about offering coaching on relationship coaching as well as personal healing, and on a side note also health healing, detoxification, nourishment and diet as well. So if anyone's interested and needs that for their relationship, I'd highly recommend reaching out to me and contacting me to arrange some sessions. That's all I want to say. I also have a free book about self-awareness living on the now, so message me if you like my free book, just send me your email address. And I also have a book for sale on this topic of healing yourself, your relationship, family, life and ancestral line. And that's what I'd love to share with you today. Lots of love. Thanks for watching and have a great day.